In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails error. If messages are getting stuck or nothing new is arriving, we'll walk through the most common causes inside Outlook and get mail flowing again. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Check whether Outlook is working offline. On the ribbon, open the Send Receive tab and look for Work Offline. If it's turned on, Outlook won't connect to your mail server. Click it once to toggle back online. You should see the status bar switch from working offline to connected. Make sure your device is actually online. A quick way to confirm is to check your Wi-Fi or network icon and open a web page to verify you have internet access. Outlook can't sync without a stable connection. Next, look at the outbox. A single large message or one with a big attachment can block the queue. Open the outbox folder, then delete any stuck messages or drag them to drafts so they don't hold up the rest. If needed, reduce the attachment size or share a cloud link before resending. Manually trigger a sync, press F9 on your keyboard, or choose Send Receive All folders on the Send Receive tab. Watch the status bar for progress or error messages. If you suspect messages are arriving but not in your inbox, check the junk email folder. If you find legitimate mail there, mark it as not junk so future messages are delivered correctly. Review your rules. Go to Settings, then Mail, and open Rules. Remove or turn off any rules that move messages away from the inbox or delete them, especially broad filters that catch too much. Free up space if your mailbox is full. When storage is maxed out, new mail is rejected. Empty deleted items and junk, and delete or archive old large emails to create room. Confirm you aren't hiding messages with a filtered view. Set your view to all so every message is visible, and clear any search or filter that might be limiting what you see. If problems persist, repair the account. Go to Settings, choose Account, select your email account, and pick Repair or verify the server settings. This rebuilds the connection and fixes many sync issues. Finally, double check your outgoing mail server settings. Ensure the SMTP server port and encryption match your email provider's guidance, such as TLS on port 587 or SSL on 465. After these checks, Outlook should send and receive normally.